Hello. So hear me out. I moved to a new house since 2 years ago, and I always had a problem with the internet. I mean, I don't always have enough signal, Wi-Fi signal all over the house. And the solution was, as you can see over here, was to add another router. So I have now two routers, one on the front of the house, and this is the back of the house, which it looks like this is not really good. I mean, would you like something like this just hanging on your wall? And something really ugly like this. So what I thought, well, everybody needs something. So why don't I use a mesh system? So hear me out. Let me just show you. What about something like this? So you see, it's pretty clean. You have just a wall plug which needs power. This is the one of the satellites. I mean, this is one of the units that I've used. So the system that I'm using, the mesh system, has two units. The main unit, which is right here, just a second and I will show you, and that was the second unit, which doesn't need to be plugged in anywhere. So let me just show. I know this is gonna be ugly because I still didn't have time to do the cable management, so bear with me. Yeah, as I mentioned, this is gonna be ugly. So this is the main TP-Link unit. Of course, I've already connected it to the internet via an adapter because the cable was really short. And yeah, I have put it right behind the TV because I don't want it to show, honestly, and I don't want everybody to see that unit everywhere. So, but it's not bad. I mean, it's just so simple. You can put it on your furniture or whatever. You can put it everywhere you want it. And yeah, it will look pretty clean. Let me just show you the first problem, why I've chosen this solution from TP-Link. As you can see over here, this is the Huawei router that the internet provider offered me and installed it over here. Yeah, ignore this big setup. This is also for the thermostat because I have some smart thermostats. And this is the router. Behind that box there's a switch. There's a gigabyte switch and also some devices that transform from fiber optics to TV and internet. Without further ado, let me just show you what happened. So I've installed the TP-Link units, and of course now I have a single network. So besides this, besides the advantage that you can just move in, I'm just moving around the house and having the same link everywhere. I mean, the same network everywhere. It's really the convenience, and you wouldn't imagine the fact that you don't need, because I always had to switch networks and so on, and it was really annoying just to switch networks every time you wanted to use the internet, and you didn't have enough wireless signal in front of the house and in the back of the house. Everything was frustrating for me. Of course, there are better solutions, I know. Including TP-Link has some even expensive solution, but I chose the budget one because I wanted to see if this handles and can provide the needs that I have. So I can tell you from the top of my head that only from the internet speed difference, I mean, you will see probably here, I will put a screenshot, how my internet speed doubled from the existing routers. But not only that, the thing is, it also covers a lot of ground right now. So you can already move this. For example, let's say in the future I want to extend my house. I want to build on a next floor, a first floor above. You can just add one more unit and that's it. Or two more units depending on the house size, and problem solved. So check this configure, how you can configure. This is gonna be the whole tutorial how I configured it. I mean, it's pretty easy. Everything was next. You just plug every device in and that's it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye.
You got the feeling. just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to 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 clear my head. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm trying to live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated. It's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm trying to live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. And if I say it,